Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already did my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna prime my eyes with my Juvia Place concealer in 16 and my AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach to set it. Next, I'm going to take the Juvia Place, the Rebel Mints eyeshadow palette, and use that. And I'm just going to use that shade right there and put that in my crease. And I'm going to use the other shade and put that all over my lids. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted about my uploads. So I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Now I'm using my Ioni XL Wispy Dramatic Lashes and my House of Lashes eyelash glue. To make sure there's no gap showing where I put my lashes, I'm going to use my Sephora eye pencil. Then I'm going to use my Essence waterproof mascara. Moving on to the face, I already moisturized. Now I'm going to use my Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. Next, I'm using Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. For foundation, I'm using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in 13 Chestnut. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. I'm just going to put this all the places where I put the orange corrector. To highlight, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Medium Dark Warm. I'm just going to put this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. And I'm going to take the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline since it's lighter. I'm going to take the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. Now I'm using my AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach again. I'm just going to use that to set where I had that concealer at. Next, I'm using Sephora Micro Smooth Multitasking Face Powder in 65 Toffee. Now I'm using Juvia's Place, the Saharian Blush Volume 1 palette. And I'm just going to take that shade right there and use that for my blush. And I'm going to use the other shade for my highlight. For lips, I'm using the Urban Decay Vice Plumping Shine Lip Balm in Secret Menu and the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this mint green eyeshadow makeup look that I did. I appreciate you all watching. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you be alerted on my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, like, comment, and share. I would love to hear from you all. Also, everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as all my social media handles. And I will see you on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.